This session will basically talk about family. The family is the conglomeration of related genera. The genera we were talking about last time, one of the genera I've told you is Solanum. Now Solanum was the genera where brinjal, potato, makoi were coming. Similarly, we have one more genera of one of the flowering plants called Petunia. We have one more genera called Datura. All these three genera, they belong to the same family called Solanaceae. Similarly, we have one more family. Solanaceae is a family of dicots. Liliaceae is a family of monocots. You have Allium. There are many species of Allium like Allium cepa. You have Colchicum. Now Colchicum is one of the genus with the species called Colchicum autumnale from a drug, very important drug called colchicine is obtained. Both of these plants with the genus Allium and Colchicum, they belong to the family called Liliaceae. Similarly, these two are like the way, these two are the families for plants. You have one more family for animals which is called Felidae, where you have Felis and Panthera. So families in totality are the conglomeration of related genera. When you talk about plants, we basically talk about families which are characterized on the basis of vegetative and reproductive characters of the plant. In plants, the family is always given the suffix called ace, like you can see Solanaceae and Liliaceae. In next class, we'll be talking about order.